love to use is bacon. I mean, you can put bacon on ice cream, bacon on burgers, bacon on top of bacon. But today, I'm gonna make a nice candy bacon for you all. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Yes! Season 2, Master King Chef J Rod is back. Now that's straight fire. We are always building flavors.
All right, so y'all say this with me. We are always building flavors. Say it again. We are always building flavors. See, now you got it. So check it out. Here is just 3 major ingredients besides the bacon, because we know the bacon is the star of the show. So what I have here is some light brown sugar, right? Some maple syrup. Make sure you get maple syrup. Don't get the Aunt Your Mama. Don't get the, Kroger brand or the Publix brand. Get some real maple syrup. And then we have some cayenne pepper, because we're gonna give it a little bit of sweet. And ain't nothing better than sweet heat, right? So all I'm gonna do is take this brown sugar and drizzle it over the bacon. And I'm gonna do this on both sides. So as I continue to put the brown sugar on both sides, I'll show you guys what we got going on there. Don't go anywhere. Hey man, why you sneaking up on me like that? I told you about that. I get scared, man. You can't just be like sliding up on me like that. So check it out, guys. I got the brown sugar on here, right? Beautiful, right? Easy money. Then I'm gonna take some of this cayenne pepper. Like I told y'all, ain't nothing better than sweet heat, right? And you just sprinkle it over each bacon, right? Just sprinkle it over. Now, if you like it really spicy, go ahead, knock yourself out. With me, I'm a wimp when it comes to spice, so I don't like it too spicy. I just like to get a little hint of it. So you sprinkle that bacon over there like that. Sprinkle that cayenne pepper, right? And then you know what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing all over again. So stick around. All right, guys, so I have the brown sugar and cayenne pepper on both sides of the bacon, okay? Now I'm gonna take some of this maple syrup, and then I'm just gonna drizzle it, lightly over there like that there. Y'all see it, let it fall down. Man, it's gonna give this bacon so much flavor, I promise you. You just let it drizzle down on the bacon like that there, and then we're gonna bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Now, me personally, I like it to be a little bit darker than my normal bacon, because that sugar's gonna caramelize and make it dark. But you'll see what I'm talking about in about 30 minutes. Don't go anywhere. You ready? Like Freddy? Eating spaghetti at the Armageddon. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing. I've been rapping for a while, you know what I'm saying? From the MIA, that's where I stay. Now I'm down here chill. I'm in Nashville, and I keeps it real. I know you feel the dish that I be giving every day, every second. Y'all know how I be living. That's enough of that. All right, so guys, check it out. Let's look at this bacon. Oh yeah, baby, nice and caramelized. Y'all see that? That's some caramelized bacon. So what we do, right? We're gonna sit this right here and let it cool. And then guys, we're gonna put it on the plate. It's gonna be ready to go. That's that candy bacon with a little bit of cayenne, baby. We'll be right back. Isn't that beautiful, man? And that's it right there, guys. You got the candy bacon. All I'm doing is right now is just, letting it rain on that thing with a little extra brown sugar. And then if you want to, only if you want to, just a little bit of mo. A little bit of mo. That's one word. A little bit of mo. That's one word. A little bit of mo heat, right? That looks so good. And there you have it. Chef J Rod, candy spicy bacon, baby. Hey guys, remember, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. All right, so I flipped it over, both sides, caramel, caramel. I got it nice and cayenne pepper, both sides, all right? Now, this is when it gets a little good. Gonna take some of that maple brown sugar, right? Maple brown sugar.